Away in a manger, no prep for a pen. The little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the sky look down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hill. Let's make our Christmas lively. Hills we go, laughing all the way, making spirits bright. What fun is to write and singing slashing songs tonight. We're going to sing Away in the Manger, a Christmas song, using the key of G. And basically we'll need G, we'll need C, and we'll need D. Those are the three we need. G, C, and D. And for most part of this song, we'll be using the G. If you look at the song, you see G features for most time. So a very good grip of the G will assure you better chances of playing this song. Secondly, we are going to use for our beat, we are using 6/8. Now, how do we understand 6/8? 6/8 is simply the double version of 3/4. Practically, what do we mean? Let me show you 3/4. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Now, that is 3/4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. To say 6/8 is double of 1, 2, 3 will mean that for each bit of 3/4, we are going to add a bit in between. See, the tapping is still 3. You see, the tapping is still 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. As we are doing 1, 2, 3, instead of leaving it there for 6/8, it is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 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 3. It's still the tapping of 3/4. But now we are adding something in between 1, and that's why we are saying 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. The plus now is the addition. That makes 6/3 a double of 3/4. So 3/4 times 2 is equals to 6/8 musically in terms of time signature. See? So that is the beat we are using to play our Away in the Manger. Away in the manger, no pray for a pen. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hill. The stars in the sky look down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hill. You see, the tapping is still 3, but we are adding a plus. Away in a manger, no prayer for a bed. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the head. Away in a manger, no crib for a bed. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the head. Let's bring the counting closer so that we see. Away in a manger, no crib for a bed. The little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the sky look down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hill. Now let's take it again. Let's take it again. Let's take it again. You can follow the keys on the song that is posted and pay attention to the picking 6/8. Away in a manger, no prayer for a bed. The little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the sky look down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hill. Now, let's take our attention to the last line. This last line. Our last line is talking of the little Lord Jesus asleep on the hill. What can you notice? From C, we are having 4 counts. Instead of the normal 8 count, 6 count, we are having 4. We are having this 1, 2, 3, 4. Now D will complete the 2 counts to make 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little Lord Jesus asleep on the hill. Now let's play it and you pay particular attention to that last line. C takes 4 beats and then D takes 2 beats to complete 6/8. That is why they are in bracket. They are sharing the beat. That is what it means when you see it written musically. So let's do the whole thing and pay attention to the areas that we have indicated. So the starting, yes, is on the fifth beat. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So away is on the 5. Away in a manger, no pray forever. Is on 5 so that C can have its full count. Okay. Away in the manger, no pray forever. The little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the sky look down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hill.
Let's make our Christmas lively, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sledge. Of the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on hope's sleigh ring, making spirits bright. What fun is to write and sing in slashing